LG's new Tone Free earphones have made their debut. There are three in number that made their debut today. Let's start out with the smallest one. The FP5 is just the lowest model in the three lineup. They have the FP8 and as well as the FP9. So it all depends on exactly what you're looking for, the amount you're willing to spend, and that's what you probably have to look to before getting anyone. So, what do all these three have? Pretty much is that they are using ultraviolet light to sterilize the earbud after usage when you put it in the case. The charging case is also a Bluetooth wireless transmitter for the FP9 only. So the right earbud can be used as a handheld microphone for the times, uh, for most of the times when you need it, like to use it as an external microphone if you want that. Um, it also has ambient mode, so it amplifies sounds around you and make it easy for you to use it on the streets. It also has spatial audio processing from Meridian Audio. Meridian Audio put that in this particular lineup. The FP9 is pretty much the flagship here. So if you're looking to get it, you're gonna get everything in here, from the best of the best to pretty much the best performance overall. Yeah. So let's go over some of the things that you're looking to get, like the fact that it is coming with an IPX4 waterproof resistance, has a 10 hours battery life on a single charge for the earbuds and around 14 hours with the case. Supports quick charge as well. 5 minutes can get you a couple of uh, a couple of hours of usage as well. So it's really good. Like I said, it has spatial audio processing that Meridian Audio put in it, so give you that 3D effects. They're trying to simulate Atmos to bring the best out of maybe whatever it is you're listening to, and give you the best performance overall. It's using a dynamic driver in here. So dynamic drivers are what has been used in here. Like I said, you can use this as an external microphone. That's for the FP9, that is flagship. And look, it's uh, it's uh, it's quite cool overall. One of the things that I can say here is that the price tag is not going to be too cheap, but it's not going to be too expensive, even though the price tag hasn't been released yet. So they are saying that it's still next month I pretty much will get the price tag. But for now, it's looking to be in $100+ range for these model, pretty much similar to their last year release. So overall, this is a decent release. The FP9 is their flagship. The FP5 is their more affordable set. So all three of them would have different prices. Um, so when it's pretty much when you come to their site that you're able to get your hands on pretty much or you have an idea of what you can expect from them. So as for specs, what I will do basically is that I'm going to leave the specs in the description below for every single one of these earphones, so you can go over it. But if you want some detailed look, detailed spec listing, you can head on to LG's page, their report, the official report for these earphones, so you can see what's different from each other. So That's basically it. The only thing I could even say that is a bit different is the fact that the FP5 instead of 24 hours is 22 hours. So just basically 2 hours difference from the more expensive and more premium, or let's just say the more flagship level FP8 and FP9. So the FP8 and FP9 have pretty much almost the same almost the same features, you understand? So that's just the thing, but you will see a bit of a difference basically if you're coming to check in on basically this model. Like the FP9 doesn't support wireless charging, whereas the FP8 supports wireless charging. The, these earphones are okay. They are okay. I don't think they will be very expensive when they do come out. So I will keep an eye out for prices if it does drop, and probably update this. So do subscribe to our channel, like our content. I will see everyone next time.